Hi guys, welcome to Dropship Studio. Before we get started with the tutorial, you need to download a free Chrome extension called Dropship Studio. You can go directly to the Chrome store and search for the name or click the link on the homepage. Now just click on Add Extension and we are done here. We go over to AliExpress and set the country to the delivery country to United States and language English, currency into US dollar. We save it and we go down to the best-selling section. Check out the products and we choose, let's choose this tool. We run Dropship Studio. Have to log in real quick. And we have a match on eBay. Let's have a look. Let's see what other items this seller has in his store. We want to see his sold listings. We run Dropship Studio to see how many have been sold. And we will go, let's check this one. $46. Let's check the knife. Okay, we find it on AliExpress. It's been sold on eBay for $32.99 and on AliExpress for $19.55. It is the exact same outdoor knife and it comes with free shipping to the United States. Okay, let's have a look on Dropship Studio. We just paste in the eBay URL and press go, and we have both items side by side. Can copy the title. Here we see the selling information. It's coming from China. Here's product details and description, which we can use on our own listings for eBay or Shopify. That's it.